What is going on, guys? How you doing? How you been? Womier has been killing it in the keyboard game recently, ever since they released the famous Womier K87. Now they've decided to hop on the TKL line with this magnificently designed keyboard. First, let's go on about the packaging. It is pretty straightforward, but I really wonder why it doesn't go along with the theme of the keyboard itself. The packaging is a little bit too edgy for the botanical design. Moving on, it comes in a styrofoam that houses the keyboard itself. It holds a user manual that would tell us how to use the keyboard, obviously, and utilize its shortcuts. On top, there are other keyboard essentials, which are a keyboard cleaning brush, a switch, and a keycap puller. USB Type-C cable, not braided. Basically everything you'll need in maintaining this glorious keyboard. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go over the design itself. First of all, the design isn't really that original at all, because this keycap set is already a famous design that GMK released a few years ago. And it's probably one of their most famous sets too. What's different though is that these are in the XDA profile, which I think most people wouldn't really like. But for some reason, XDA has always been priced cheaper compared to other profiles, and I have no idea why. Or maybe it varies depending on what country you're in. What I really love about this keyboard is how the case is based off the keycap set itself. So I think going for a certain themed setup would definitely be easier if you pick up one of these, since I think this isn't the last themed keyboard they're going to be releasing. I just feel like they have a lot of designs in store at the moment. They're just, testing the waters at this state.